Hi, today I have a very cool, very old, vintage Swedish rim cylinder, and this one it's be that all. It's a 3D nice all, and it's as far as I know, it's pronounced Låsbolaget Eskilstuna. Uh, it's a 5-pin lock. It's a very cool rim cylinder, and the only thing that is not cool, I don't know how I'm going to disassemble this one. This is like, I want to force it open. We'll see how it goes. I have some tools, and there is some markings 3369090. I don't know if that's the same marking on the key. Yeah, it's a 3369090. It's a 5-pin lock. Let me show you the key. So pretty long one and a lot of short ones, and on this side you will see Låsbolaget Eskilstuna. Always hard to pronounce that one. It's working very nice. It's smooth, to be honest. It's a probably vintage old, I don't know how many years old, but as far as I know, there are no security pins inside, but I still want to, hopefully we will pick it, and I still want to disassemble it to see what kind of a pins do they have. This kind of a tangent tool, so I can pick it in hand, and my standard D4 is down. So let's see. One, it's binding. It's heavily binding. Oh, wow. Click from one. Very nice click. Two is binding. Click from two. 3 nothing. 4 nothing. Now 5. 5. Some mooshiness. I think 5 is set. That's 4. That was 2. I don't know. 1, 2, 3. Crunchiness inside. 5 clicks. Smooth turn on the core. Okay. That was 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. I don't know, 3 feels like it's not set. 5, click. I'm sleeping on my tangent tool. So very strange click from 3, and we're open. It was a very like crunchy but like stiff pins. But I still want to open this one. I don't know if I'm going to destroy it, or maybe I can do something later, but now definitely I want to try to disassemble this one. So after a bit of a destructive disassembly, I'm glad that I did the disassembly. I needed to cut this part for some reason. This is threaded, and I don't know if it's threaded, but it's somehow put it here and locked, and I did manage at the end to cut it, and it's a pretty interesting one. So this is the core, pretty standard one, a bit flattened here. But what I was surprised is this sleeve. It's, I don't know if this is a master pin. I don't think so, but we have two shear lines. So I'm not sure why they did it like this. If someone knows, please let me know in the comments. I don't think that this is like a second shear line, but it can be if we have a smaller key pins, or if it's a master pin this dimension. I'm not sure, but I'm glad that I disassembled this one. It's always something interesting in some of the locks, especially in the older ones. And the thing that I'm really surprised is this lock is so clean. This is a vintage one. It's definitely very old, but it's a very clean one. For some reason, I don't know if they did not use it that much, but each side is clean. There is no gunk on the springs and in the pins. And as I said, all the pins are standard one. The key pins are very long. The drivers are very long, and the springs are pretty long. And the first one is a bit darker than the other ones. But yeah, I really like it. I will try to figure out, is this a second shear line, and if I can do a, like, I can put the different pins and then I can pick it like that with some master pins or two shear lines. So yeah, this was a old come on, focus, LB Owl holding the key rim cylinder, Låsbolaget, picked a bit of destruction. I managed to get it. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.